Except for launching your content on your website, you can launch it on different publishing platforms such as Dev.to, Medium, Hashnode, and Hackernoon. Publishing your content on other platforms amplifies it and brings you a lot more views without waiting for SEO or for somebody to write about you. So over the years, a lot of people ask me a very simple question: what platform should you post on? And my answer is, hi, my name is Nevo. I'm a full stack developer with over 10 years of experience doing marketing for the last 3 years. Welcome back to the channels. I talk mainly about open source tech and marketing. I've managed to grow Novo from 0 to 31,000 stars in less than 2 years. For those of you who don't know, Novo is the open source notification infrastructure company. Lately, Gitroom, my startup, was declared as one of the fastest growing tech startup by Runa Capital. So to answer where to publish all your content to, the answer is all the platform, Dev.to, Medium, and Hashnode. So thank you very much and see you in the next video. I'm just kidding. You need to publish it everywhere, but the main focus is not where to publish it, but is where to actually launch it on. So you see, all these publishing platforms like Dev.to, Hashnode, Medium, Hackernoon, all of them are like social media. If you bring enough traffic to them, they will amplify you. They will bring you more visitors. So it means that if you manage to navigate all your existing traffic from all your social media, WhatsApp group, Slack groups, Discord group into this specific article, maybe with enough amount of views, the platform will actually reward you, especially if you tell people to take action inside the platform, like give you a like or a clap or an upvote. So today I'm going to break down all the platforms that you can launch on and get traffic. The first one is Medium. Medium is a very generalized platform and it has the most significant amount of audience for developers. If you manage to trend on Medium, you might get tens of thousands of developers reading your content, but it's hard. If you're just starting out, I would actually not launch on Medium. I would post my content on Medium all the time, every week. And then over time, more and more people will come to you and offer you something called publications. It means that the next time you post on their channel, not on yours, and then get more visibility. When you post on their channels, it will tremendously grow the amount of followers that you have. So once you get into some threshold, then you can really go and start to launch on this specific platform because you will already have also the organic content from the people that follow you. It takes a lot of time. I can tell you I'm not even in the level of that. So I would usually just, get a few views. I publish in the different publication and I get between 0 to 3,000 to 5,000 views for my articles, so it's good enough. It takes a lot more time, but you will get there. Just keep on posting on this channel. If you like this video so far, please make sure you give me a like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me a lot in create more and more content for you. So please do it right now. Just click on the button. The next platform, which is one of my favorites, is Dev.to. Dev.to is really special. They build it in a way that it's on the main domain, so all the backlinks that go inside the platform go actually to the original platform and not to some subdomain. It means that this platform have a very high domain authority. And because it has a very high domain authority, Google really likes this platform. What it means is that Google will feature your article from this platform on their Google Discover feed on the phone. This is amazing. It can bring you tens of thousands of developers reading your articles. I had article reaching 100,000 views. So really, this is my favorite platform to launch on. It also has some internal organic traffic because when I have some article that's really trending, I can see tens of thousands of views coming from Google. And I can also see thousands of views coming from inside the platform. What you really want to do, as I said, is to launch on this platform so you can get to be on the top feed. So Google will find you. So you want every few minutes to message somebody to help you and support you in this article. The article usually attracts mainly junior developers and JavaScript developer. I have quite a very big audience of 22,000 followers there. So that's good. Hashnode is a very interesting platform. It's a blog, basically, that you get your own subdomain or domain. You can be featured. Don't expect too much traffic from there. I was featured on their main feed and I got something around 1,000 views. So it's not as good as Dev, but it's actually a very good blogging platform as a personal blog if you want to build your own blog. So really, you can launch on your blog And then you can send canonical links from Dev.to or Medium to your personal blog. We'll talk about canonical links in the end. The thing about Hashnode is that the traffic is not circulating because people just watching a specific blog every time. In Dev.to, for example, when a person go into an article, they can see other articles because it's like a general platform and not a specific blog. I like the owner of the platform. They're very active and they do a lot of stuff inside the platform. And it's, as I said, very good for your personal blog. The last one is Hackernoon. Now, Hackernoon is the weirdest platform of them all. It looks weird in design. They have a very bad UX. And every time you have an article, you actually have to submit it to actually show it there. They approve almost everything, but it just adds more friction. There is no scheduling tool that you can submit directly to Hackernoon. Trust me, I've tried. It's nice. You get nice traffic. I had one article that got something like almost 1,000 views. So go ahead, try it more. I've never launched on this platform. It means I've never navigated all my traffic to this platform. Please feel free to try this and let me know how it worked for you. Now, after you launch on all these platforms, you will have duplicated content. Each one of those platforms allowed you to put a canonical link to where the original content is. And this is very important. It doesn't prevent Google from indexing those pages to be on Google, but it will not punish your website or other website for having a duplicated content. I can tell you that it's actually really cool because they have a very high domain authority. So if I post an article on Dev and I post an article on my website, there is a higher chances that the Dev article will rank higher. This is why I always like, no matter if it's an article that's going to be viewed by thousands of people or not, I always like to launch stuff on Dev because of their very high domain authority. And if you like this video, please make sure you watch my previous video on how to build a marketing team for your tech startup.